Do you take a multivitamin every day, thinking it's your safety net? You're not alone. Over 70% of adults in the US do. But here's the hard truth. Most people are wasting their money. From poor absorption to overhyped claims, your daily supplement might be doing absolutely nothing. Today, we'll break down why your multivitamin might be useless and how to make your supplements work smarter, not harder. The multivitamin myth. What most people believe. The promise sounds simple. Take one pill a day, cover all your bases. But here's the problem. Many multivitamins use cheap synthetic forms of nutrients your body can't absorb well. They're often underdosed, missing clinically effective amounts. Worse, they give a false sense of security, making people ignore food-based nutrition. You can't out-supplement a bad diet. Not all vitamins are created equal. Let's talk forms. Some examples. Vitamin B12. The form cyanocobalamin is cheap and poorly absorbed. Methylcobalamin is better. Magnesium oxide? Only 4% gets absorbed. Folic acid versus folate. Many people have genetic variations that prevent folic acid conversion, making it almost useless. You want methylfolate instead. What to look for? Bioavailable forms, clinically studied ingredients, and full transparency, no proprietary blends. The danger of overdosing. Yes, it happens. Vitamins are generally considered beneficial, but too much of the wrong kind can backfire. Examples. An excessive intake of vitamin A can lead to liver damage and bone thinning. Excessive iron can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress, particularly in men and postmenopausal women. Fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K are stored in the body and can accumulate to toxic levels. More isn't better. Balance is key. The food-supplement connection. Supplements don't work in isolation. Many require cofactors, things found naturally in food, to be properly absorbed. Example. Vitamin D needs magnesium to activate. Calcium works best when paired with vitamin K2 and D3, and iron absorption is boosted by vitamin C. If you're not eating well, your supplements might be floating around unused. How to know if you actually need a multivitamin? Ask yourself, do you eat a varied diet with whole foods daily? Do you have specific medical needs or deficiencies? Are you vegan, pregnant, over 50, or managing chronic stress? Multivitamins are most helpful for vegans or vegetarians, B12, iron, zinc, elderly, vitamin D, B12, calcium, pregnant people, folate, iron, and people with absorption issues, IBS, celiac. Otherwise, you may benefit more from targeted supplements versus a one-pill-for-all approach. Smart supplement strategy that actually works. If you are going to supplement, here's how to do it right. 1. Test, don't guess. Blood panels can show deficiencies. 2. Target your needs. Choose 1 to 3 supplements, not 10. 3. Time them right. Fat-soluble vitamins with meals. Magnesium before bed and iron away from calcium. 4. Cycle supplements. You may not need them forever. 5. Choose quality. Look for third-party testing. NSF, USP, GMP certified. Let's be clear. Supplements can help, but only if they're the right ones, in the right form, at the right time. Otherwise, your body just sees them as expensive pee. Focus on food first, then fill in the gaps strategically, not emotionally. What's one supplement you take daily, and are you sure it's working? Subscribe for more no-nonsense health advice that's real, science-backed, and actually useful.